Don't just talk about what to fix. Watch how to turn retro feedbacks into real trackable actions inside retroteam.ai. So while you're done with the icebreaker, you go into the actual retrospective. You click on start retrospective in this case, and that takes you to the actual retrospective board. Within this board, you have a couple of different things happening here. You have the stages here where you start with a capture, where you put in all the information you want. You go to groups where you actually get to group all the comments, and vote where you actually get to vote on the groups or each cards that have been placed in. And then the actions where you now talk about what are the next things we can do, what are the action items based on what we just talked about as a team. On the top here, we have the AI credit. So as you keep using this, we have some AI features that I will walk you through in the different stages. Here it just kind of tells you how many is left. You can always go back to the icebreaker. If you click over here, it takes you to the icebreaker. So icebreaker can happen at any point in time. You don't necessarily have to happen when it starts. So we go back to retrospective here. You can also have a timer for each section to talk through things. Maybe you only want to spend 5 minutes talking about the capture, or 2 minutes for voting. You can do that as well, and you can also pick the different notifications that you want after it's done. In the settings, you can change the name of the board. You can also increase the amount of votes. 20 is the max here. You can show or hide comments from the authors, and I can walk through that as we do this. And you can lock the board. You can make this board also private. So if you made it public and you decided, okay, maybe I want to make this private because this is a conversation between members that I don't want to share with the rest of the organization. And you can also set out to have AI to group your comments or AI to help you with action items. So these are all set by default.